Everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to connect a Raspberry Pi to a monitor and explain what each port does. So here you can see there is a 7-inch display. You can use any inch of displays to connect the Raspberry Pi, and this is the Raspberry Pi 4B, and this is the 5V 2A adapter to power the Raspberry Pi, and this is the B-type cable to power the display, and here is the HDMI to micro HDMI to get the video output in the monitor. So in the Raspberry Pi, you can see these two are the micro HDMI ports. This is where you connect the Pi to a monitor or a TV to get a video output. And these are the USB ports. The blue ones are the USB 3.0, which are faster for things like external drivers. The black ones are USB 2.0 for keyboards, mouse and other peripherals. Beside, you can see there is an Ethernet port. You can use it to connect your Pi to the internet with a wired connection if you prefer that over Wi-Fi. And here is the audio jack. It can be used for headphones, speakers or even composite video output on some models. This is the power port. The Raspberry Pi uses USB-C for power, and on the side you will see the ribbon connectors. The smaller one is for the camera module and the wider one is for connecting official Pi displays. And these are the GPIO pins. There are 40 pins that allows you to connect sensors, LEDs, buttons and more for hardware projects. And here is the micro SD card slot located on the underside. This is where the operating system is stored. The Pi boots from this card. The display to the Raspberry Pi. So first we should insert the SD card slot in the slot, and next from the USB port we have to power the display. And for the video output, you need to connect HDMI cable. After this connection, let's power the Raspberry Pi. So as you can see, the display is get on. So let's start with an experiments.